Okay, so today our chapter is the earth, the continents and the oceans. Okay, so today we will learn about that only. So let's first choose the color, and the color I'll take is this one. Okay, so on earth, the continents and the oceans. So let's take the red color only first. Okay, so to understand the earth, we really need to understand the earth's surface. First we'll look above the surface because we are living in the surface only, right? So we'll first see the surface, not the interior. And now when we look at the globe, we see a huge part of the earth's surface blue. That means it's covered with water, and about 71%. And more than 95% of it is salt water. Okay, so out of that 71%, okay, more than 95% is salt water. Now the salt water has been organized into distinct oceans, whereas the relatively huge land masses have been organized into distinct continents. Okay, so 5 distinct oceans are there and 7 distinct continents. Now knowing the continents, the large masses on land of the earth are surrounded by water on all sides, and they are known as continents. There are 7 continents in all. And what are they? You all know: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. So you all also know that Asia is the largest continent of the world. It is larger than North America and South America put together. So do you know half of the world's population lives in Asia? Yes. Okay. So the most populated countries are China and India. China is number 1 and India is number 2. Okay, are parts of Asia. Asia in the northern hemisphere occupies 1/3 of the land area of the earth. So land is only 29%. Okay, and so out of that, Asia has taken 1/3 of it. Okay, Asia has taken 1/3 of it. Okay, and so the continent of Europe lies exactly opposite to, exactly next to Asia, and therefore they are together known as Eurasia. Okay. Now Africa is the second largest continent. The vast land is a home to a variety of wildlife. The continent is surrounded by water on all sides. On the north, it has the Mediterranean Sea. On the west, it has the Atlantic Ocean and the Red Sea. Okay, and in the east, it has the Indian Ocean and the Red Sea. Okay, in the south, it has the Antarctic Ocean. Okay, just add it out over here. Now Sahara, the world's largest desert, and Nile, the longest river of the world, are located in Africa. So North America is the third largest. Okay, it's located entirely in the northern hemisphere. Christopher Columbus discovered North America during an expedition. USA and Canada are both in North America. Okay. Yes. So now South America. What is South America? South America is the 4th largest continent of the world. The Amazon rainforest in the South America are the rainforest of the South America are the largest and the densest of the forest in the world. This forest is the home to a large and diverse number of living creatures. After the Nile, the Amazon River in the South Africa is the second longest river of the world. Now Antarctica is the 5th largest continent. It is a frozen land covered with ice. Humans and plants cannot survive in this cold. Only penguins and animals like whales live in Antarctica. Europe is located in the northern hemisphere. Some of the world's most advanced countries are found in the continent. Europe has also the best seaports and harbors of the world. Australia, the smallest continent, has many special characteristics. It is the only continent which is an island. It is also the only continent which has a single country. New Zealand and the neighboring countries of the South Pacific Ocean are a part of the continent. The Great Barrier Reef is an important tourist attraction here. Try to go and see if you can ever. So now here are some questions. Okay, so we will not come to this. Knowing the oceans. Now oceans is a vast area of water interconnected with each other. Okay, so the water in the ocean is salty. At some times the ocean are full of living beings. They have adapted to the salty water. Okay. And there are 5 oceans on the earth. What are they? The Pacific, the Atlantic, the Indian, the Arctic and the Antarctic. Now the Pacific Ocean is the biggest and the deepest ocean. Okay? It's so big that all the continents can get submerged into it. Okay? Now the Mariana Trench is the world's deepest trench. Okay? Please underline, Mariana Trench, the world's deepest trench, is in the Pacific Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the busiest ocean for trade and commerce. Okay, so everyone has specialty. Thousands of ships travel through this ocean every day. Thus, Atlantic Ocean is the busiest ocean from the point of view of trade. Indian Ocean is surrounded by the Africa on the west, Australia on the east, Asia on the north, and Antarctica towards the south. Okay, so it's the third largest of the world's ocean. Several important rivers flowing into it include the Ganges, the Brahmaputra, and the Indus of the Indian subcontinent. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal are the parts of the Indian Ocean. Okay, the water of Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal are flowing into the Indian Ocean. Just a moment. Now, Southern Ocean is surrounded by white continent of Antarctica. Okay, this remains frozen throughout the year. It's formed by merging the southern parts of Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean and lies in the southern hemisphere. No speciality. Arctic Ocean, it's towards the North Pole and it's the smallest ocean. It remains frozen throughout the year. The water of the Arctic Ocean is very, very cold. The climate of this region is harshest and coldest in the world. So this was our video and thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. Goodbye.